Minus your coats.
Well, we've talked about it here for the last couple of days. This snowbank that's sitting here, it's shrinking. It's getting more compact. I would imagine that kind of stuff is happening in the mountains as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And you start talking about the big temperature changes that we've had. It really all has an impact. We had a chance to catch up with the guys from the Gallatin National Forest Avalanche Center. Here's what they had to say. Good morning. I'm joined once again by Doug Chabot from the Gallatin National Forest Avalanche Center. Lots of new snow in the mountains. Let's talk about conditions out there.
Yeah, there's a lot of new snow in the mountains. There's anywhere from 3 to 4 feet of new snow. I mean, Cook City's got close to 4. We've had 3 up here at Bridger. Around the Big Sky area, they've got about 2 to 3 feet. So there's a fair bit of snow, and people are getting out and skiing around on it.
And that's a lot of fun. Of course, then we start talking about the cold weather on top of that and how things change. It's great to have new snow, but it's kind of a loaded situation sometimes.
It is, because with snow on the ground, once the snow hits the ground, it starts to change really quickly. And so we'll see change with wind. So with wind, we're going to see some wind loading happening, and I expect to see a little bit more avalanche activity from that. And then the cold weather, what happens when we have single-digit or 0-degree cold weather is it turns the crystals in the snowpack. It makes them weaker. They get angular, they get bigger, and this all happens near the ground. And so what we do is we start weakening the snowpack for the rest of the winter. The foundation that the rest of the winter snow is falling on is now getting weak.
Yeah, we look back at past seasons, we've had that issue where this early cold snap sometimes kind of makes it difficult for the rest of the winter. That's and we've talked about it before. It's not necessarily something that sticks around, but it's something that you stay aware of.
Yeah, I mean, anytime we're getting cold weather like this, we are hyper aware of what's happening, because actually when the weak snow forms at the ground, it can stay for months at a time. So it's forming now, and we might be talking about this in January and February, but it's happening right now. But we'll see the consequences of that later down the line.
All right, and current advisories out for people. What do they need to be on the lookout for?
So right now, when it snows, we put out an advisory. We'll go to daily advisories when we get a little more snow, a little more people heading out. But right now, people need to just be aware that every time it snows and the wind blows, the avalanche danger is going to go up, and people are going to need to treat the backcountry like they would midwinter, meaning they want to go out with a partner, they want to carry rescue gear, and this is a great time of year to get some avalanche education, and we're offering a lot of classes all throughout southwest Montana. We've got them listed on our website, and we encourage people to go and check those out.
Yeah, absolutely, and we'll be touching on that over the course of the next few weeks. Doug Chabot, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks a lot.
And we'll be back.